Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a celebrity that belongs to the world of cinema. He is a famous actor with a net worth of approximately $170 million. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Matt Damon, Matt Damon, Matt Damon, Matt Damon. Matt Damon is known for his versatile roles in action, drama, and thriller films. Some of his top movies include Good Will Hunting, The Bourne Identity, and The Martian. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Matt Damon, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.